In this lesson, we're going to start working with the product by category endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this product by category endpoint. That's basically a GET request. We'll take the category ID and returns the list of products. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. Inside the Visual Studio, let's copy this getProductById method and paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to getProductByCategory. Then pass the category ID of integer type. Then let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and paste it here. Similarly, pass this category ID here. Now if you go to the Postman, then here you can see that this request will return the list of products in a specific category. So instead of passing the product, we need to pass a list of product by category. Also, we will make the return type of this method to task list of product by category. Alright, so that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.